elegant white color with pinkish feathers and blackish shades. A long yellow bill with a curve at the end. Thin and long pinkish legs to match with. When they open up their wings, they look more elegant and keep their heads down always to the belly level and fly or wait with those beautiful wings. Hi friends, this is Sharanya and I am talking about the beautiful water birds today. Those are the painted storks. So you might be wondering whether this is a yoga vlog or what travel, but today I bring you a very different vlog. As you all know, I have a very big heart for watching the nature and doing a wildlife photography and filming. I had set out near to Bangalore towards the Sangama or the Kaveri river. So on the way, I just encountered this small place where there was water. It's just a water body where I was on the right time to spot some of these beautiful painted storks along with some more water bird species. So today we will see and learn the behavior of the painted storks and also some of the other birds along with that, and look at some of the beautiful images I could manage clicking with my camera. The beautiful painted storks are large waders in the stork family. They are often found in the wetlands of the plains of tropical Asia south of Himalayas, in the Indian subcontinent and extending to the Southeast Asia. They are not migratory and they only make short distance movements in some parts of their range in response to the changes in the weather and the food availability. They are often seen in groups and beautifully together looking out for fish. The painted storks are carnivorous. Their diet consists of mainly small fish but also crustaceans, amphibians, insects and reptiles. They take frogs and occasionally snakes too. The daily requirement of food for the painted stork chicks is made up of about 9 fish, which actually are usually fed in 2 sessions. Nesting colonies are so large that they may contain up to 100 nests in a single colony. Although they fly in beautiful patterns, the painted storks look very elegant during their flight. They often make use of late morning thermals to soar in and search of foraging areas. Along with them, I found these beautiful black shags or the great black cormorants, which are found largely in Australia and in India. As these black cormorants sat down facing the sun, this particular formation reminded me of the social distancing and made me click a very beautiful picture of them, where I could add another one which was seated down later. Have you observed its throat fluttering? So they do this when it is hot. Some species also resort to the gullar fluttering. The bird will stretch its neck forward, open its mouth, and flutter the neck muscles, promoting heat loss. The same kind of behavior is noted when somebody approaches them. Apart from them, I could see grey herons and another pond heron species. Also, the cormorants are water birds that foraged by submerged swimming in search and pursuit of fish. To counter buoyancy, the cormorants swim underwater with their body at an angle to the swimming direction, which really appeared very beautiful. Their graceful movements captured my eyes. This great eastern egret seated alone on this bush with a nesting behavior. Very beautiful, with a yellow beak and green shade around the eyes and a swan-like body. So here goes some of the beautiful images I could capture in my camera. You like the content I have shared to you today. I'll bring you more of wildlife videos, yoga videos and travel videos on Revive Yoga. So don't forget to subscribe and share our channel and support us.